how to fix Instagram notes feature not showing. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram notes feature not showing in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is very simple. First thing, you have to go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps again right here. Now you need to wait a few seconds, it will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. So after that, all what you have to do is just scroll until you find Instagram, and when you find it you have to click on it like this. After you click on Instagram, now all what you have to do is wait a few seconds and then click on this force stop. After you click on the force stop, it will stop the app, and then open the Play Store and go to the search bar here, search for Instagram, and then update it. After you update it, you will get future of the notes easily and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.